Well, hi, this is Mr. Musgrove, and today I'm going to go over the directions for the AP Psychology Survey Research Project. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to look up some stats related to teen behavior or student behavior, and what we're going to do is create a poll. All right, based on those stats, what we want to find out is, after polling our own students here, is how close or how far away are we at our high school to the national statistics. And then we're going to draw a conclusion based on how either close or how far away they are and why. All right, and so it's going to be first come, first serve, and what kind of topic that you guys are going to pick. All right, and there's going to be a link to a spreadsheet, which I'll show in a minute. This is going to be the topic sign up right here. All right, but let's go back to the directions. All right, and so it could be any topic, but again, it should be one that's related to where people we know in school, all right, can answer. All right, and so I'm going to have your team create 5 forced answer questions. It should be like a yes or no sort of question, or a this or that. All right, so it's very quick. And again, I gave some examples in the bottom in terms of driving, dating, cell phone use, TV, video game use, stress, school involvement, self-esteem, body image, parental relationships, work experience, post-high school plans. And so we're trying to compare based on stats. All right, and so what you are going to do, all right, is you are going to then get those results, and we'll have those put neatly for you in a as you create a Google form. They'll come to you in a spreadsheet. It'll be very easy to be able to do. All right, and so you're going to create and document these results. It should be very, very easy. All right, and so let's just go ahead and give some examples over here, on this spreadsheet. Okay, so on this spreadsheet here, on the example, which is also linked right there, I went ahead and put some random numbers right here. And the question that I am using as an example is, how many pancakes can you eat? Right? And so, okay, what we find out is, after all these people, this is how many pancakes they eat when they normally go eating pancakes at breakfast. All right, we found out that our average, all right, is going to be 6.25. All right, so I will go ahead and highlight this. All right, and you'll be able to see the function right here. I'm going to average it. All right, so 6.25. That's where I highlight both cells. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and put insert chart. All right, so you can see right there how I'm going to now see a comparison, right? So we are eating more pancakes, so I'll put AWHS there. All right, and I will put US here. And I'll be able to, I should be able to highlight that. Label it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to, up here, all right, so what we're going to do, all right, is we're going to take that, copy it. Now I'm going to go into here. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste unlinked. So I'm going to go ahead and paste. All right, now I'm going to have this here. Put this up here. All right. Now I got my little data there, so I can show, oh wow, look at, we eat twice as many pancakes as everybody else. All right, so I'm going to insert a text box, all right, down here. My conclusion, AWHS eats twice as many pancakes because we are more hungry. Also love pancakes. All right, so there we have it. All right, in terms of how to go ahead and make this overall chart. So you can see right here, that's going to be how it's all going to work out. All right, so I'll see you in class for more questions.